Hello everyone, this is Chef Amir. I believe vegetables are a great source to add flavors and colors to your plate. So first thing first, let's talk about some key points while buying your vegetables. Seasonal vegetables are much more nutritious and flavorsome. बेहतरीन flavors के लिए 3 चीजें. नंबर 1, skin soft ना हो. नंबर 2, color bright होना चाहिए. And number 3, make sure it's fresh. Ideally, wash your vegetables right before cooking. Leafy vegetables like spinach, mint, methi, pudina को भिगो कर रखना जरूरी है to get rid of the dirt, as it affects the flavor. Cuts not only make a difference on the appearance, बल्कि उसका असर cooking time, flavor और mouth feel पर भी होता है. Prefer cooking your vegetables in the skin. It keeps the nutrient intact and retains the flavor and the moisture. Here is a delicious tip for some intense flavors. जब आप vegetables को पैन में फ्राई कर रहे हो, उस वक्त add some butter and a bit of stock. The result? A flavorful cloud pleasant. Herbs and leafy vegetables को हमेशा paper bag में roll करके रखें, because they will stay fresh for longer and will deliver the best flavors. Salt and pepper gets a bit boring, so spare your vegetables with some national spices and get the real flavors. Here are my few tips to up your vegetable game and enhance the flavors. Catch me soon with another exciting episode. Till then, happy cooking!